How to buy things with cryptocurrency. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Cryptocurrency has gained a lot of attention in recent years as an alternative form of digital currency. One of the most interesting features of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others is their potential for use in everyday transactions. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of buying things with cryptocurrency, making it easy for beginners to understand. Understanding cryptocurrency. Before we dive into how to buy things with cryptocurrency, let's briefly explain what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for secure transactions and control of new units. Unlike regular currencies issued by governments, fiat currency, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency wallet. To start using cryptocurrency for purchases, you'll need a digital wallet. Think of it as your digital bank account. There are various types of wallets, including software wallets, online or mobile apps, hardware wallets, physical devices, and paper wallets, printed QR codes. Popular wallets include Coinbase, Trust Wallet, and Ledger Nano S. Once you've selected a wallet, follow the setup instructions to create an account. Step 2. Acquire cryptocurrency. Before you can make a purchase, you need to get some cryptocurrency. The most common way to do this is by using a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some well-known exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up. Create an account on the exchange platform by providing your email, creating a password, and verifying your identity as required. 2. Deposit funds. Link your bank account or credit/debit card to the exchange to deposit funds. 2. Once deposited, you can convert your money into popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. 3. Purchase cryptocurrency. Use the funds in your exchange account to buy the cryptocurrency of your choice. 3. You'll specify the amount you want to buy and confirm the purchase. Step 3. Find cryptocurrency accepting merchants. Not all merchants accept cryptocurrency as payment, but the number is growing. You can find businesses that accept cryptocurrencies through online directories or by looking for specific logos on their websites. Some online retailers, travel booking platforms, and even local stores now allow customers to pay with cryptocurrency. Step 4. Make the purchase. Once you've found a merchant that accepts cryptocurrency, the process of making a purchase is similar to using any other payment method. 1. Select items. Choose the items you want to buy and add them to your cart, just like you would with traditional online shopping. 2. Choose cryptocurrency payment. During the checkout process, select the option to pay with cryptocurrency. 3. The merchant will provide you with a wallet address or a QR code to scan. 4. Send payment. Open your cryptocurrency wallet, enter the merchant's wallet address or scan the QR code, and specify the amount to send. 3. Double-check the details before confirming the transaction. 4. Confirm and wait. Once you've sent the payment, the transaction will be verified on the blockchain. 4. Depending on the cryptocurrency you're using, this might take a few minutes to an hour. Step 5. Stay informed. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so it's essential to stay informed about the value of your holdings. Prices can fluctuate significantly, impacting the value of your purchases. You can use cryptocurrency tracking apps or websites to monitor prices in real time. Step 6. Security considerations. While cryptocurrencies offer enhanced security features, it's still essential to take precautions to protect your investments and personal information. 1. Secure your wallet. Treat your cryptocurrency wallet like you would your physical wallet. 2. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and consider using hardware wallets for an added layer of security. 3. Phishing awareness. Be cautious of phishing scams. 4. Criminals might try to trick you into revealing your wallet credentials or private keys. 5. Always double-check the authenticity of emails and websites. 6. Back up your wallet. Regularly back up your wallet data. In case you lose access to your wallet due to hardware failure or other issues, you'll be able to recover your funds using the backup. Step 7. Exploring altcoins. While Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, altcoins, available for trading and purchases. Some have unique features and potential for growth. Researching and diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio can be an exciting part of your journey. Step 8. Consider transaction fees. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions may involve fees, especially when using popular networks like Bitcoin. These fees vary based on network congestion and the amount you're transacting. Some merchants might cover these fees, but it's essential to be aware of them before making a purchase. Step 9. Tax implications. Depending on your country's regulations, using cryptocurrency for transactions may have tax implications. Some jurisdictions consider cryptocurrency transactions as taxable events. Consult a tax professional to ensure you comply with local laws. Step 10. Embracing the learning curve. Entering the world of cryptocurrencies can feel overwhelming at first. However, as you become more familiar with the technology and its potential, you'll gain confidence. Stay curious, continue learning, and engage with online communities to share experiences and gain insights. In conclusion, buying things with cryptocurrency is an exciting way to explore the digital economy. By selecting a suitable wallet, acquiring cryptocurrency through exchanges, and finding merchants that accept digital coins, you can seamlessly integrate cryptocurrencies into your everyday transactions. As a beginner, remember to prioritize security, stay informed about market fluctuations, and embrace the learning curve. Cryptocurrency's evolving landscape offers both opportunities and challenges, making your journey into this financial frontier a rewarding one. Would you be interested in buying things with cryptocurrency? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. For more information on buying things with cryptocurrency and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.